Rainy day today, but we're going to try to get the sod off of this bed. We'll see how it goes. This shovel is really dull, so we're going to sharpen it up. Never sharpened a shovel before, but now that the idea has been brought up, it's obviously the right thing to do.
Yeah, this doesn't look like it's really got anything but a factory edge on it.
That is quite true. It is. You're definitely not in danger of cutting anything with that.
I'm going to actually have to take this in. Let's just clean off the edge that you're about to clean up, because that grit will also mess with things. Doesn't have to be super clean, just you get enough of this stuff off that it's not going to be part of the sharpening process. You can see where the edge was started. We're going to clean that up, refresh it, and this shovel is going to work a lot better.
We were able to get the sod off this third bed here today, and tomorrow we're going to do the last one. We won't be able to till the soil until it dries out a bit though. So maybe, not sure when, there's a lot of rain in the forecast, but when we get a couple dry days we'll be able to bring out the rototiller and dig this soil up and put all the beautiful new soil on top of it. The ducks, as always, are out here doing their gardening work. They love being out here in the rain. On the other hand, you can see here that the goats have no interest whatsoever in coming out of that barn.